Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. So I went to Target. I went to Target. I went to Target. All right, so shout out to Tink TV. I was on my way to Target and her video came up on my news feed for YouTube. And she had got some great things from Target. And I also had the same coupons. So I really didn't know what I was going to Target to get. I mean, I just was going with some coupons to see what I can conjure up. But thanks to Tink TV, she helped me out with a couple of these deals. So shout out to Tink TV. Make sure you go over there and look at her channel. She also has awesome deals too. All right, so before we get started, I'm going to need you to like this video. Like this video right now because I'm back at Target, honey. I love Target. Who loves Target? I love Target. So like this video right now before I get started. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, honey, what you waiting on? I show you how to save money, honey. Hit the subscribe button right now. I'm on my way to 10K. Help me get to 10K. I'm almost there. All right, let's get started with these deals. So these were some great deals. This is one of the deals that Tink TV had on her channel. So these botanical, let's see, it comes with a warmer and it also comes with the oil. This scent is French lavender and honey blossom. Okay, these are $3.69 at my local Target. In our past insert, let me see if I can remember the insert. It's the Smart Source, if I'm not mistaken. In our Smart Source insert, they have a $3 off coupon, and it attaches to these. So these are $3.69. It takes off the $3. Well, let me go back. We're at Target. So Target don't let you get things too cheap. So it does not take off the $3. Let me take that back. It takes off $2.65. So it makes you pay about $1.04 out of pocket per botanical warmer. Now I haven't plugged these in yet. I'm probably gonna plug one in a few minutes and see how this smells. But I like warmers. I always buy warmers, and they're great when they're $1. So these right here, again, that $3 coupon attaches to them. It takes $2.65 off, making you about $1.04 out of pocket to pay for the botanical warmers, okay? This is the coupon for that. So you all can see. That $3.11 I had earned from my Target circle. So I had $3.11 in my account to be used towards anything that I buy in the store. So I used that. It was exactly what I owed, $3.11. That's funny. All right, so I had to pay out of pocket 80 cents. So all I had to pay out of pocket was 80 cents for this first transaction. Okay. All right, so the next deal I did was this deal. Shout out to Tink TV again. She told me about the Oral-B deal, and I'm so grateful for it. All right, so this week at Target, we have a household or personal beauty care deal. If you spend $20 in personal beauty care or household, you're going to get a $5 gift card. So you try your best to get as close to $20 as you can, but you have to reach at least $20 before coupons. Some people think it's after coupons. No, at Target, you have to reach at least, you got to be at $20 before coupon to get the $5 gift card. And they give it to you at the end of your transaction, not at the beginning anymore. Like usually, at first it was like once you hit the 20, it prompts you to get the gift card, give the gift card, or get the gift card, scan the gift card or whatever. Now, it don't prompt you to the end. So if you were supposed to get a gift card and it doesn't prompt you for a gift card at the end, then that means you did something wrong. All right, so for this deal, the Shea Moisture. Now, we have a coupon that we just received in our Unilever insert, and it's for $5 off 2 face products. Now, I have yet to try the African Black soap with shea butter. I'm going to try it. I'm just a little bit skeptical about putting things on my face. African black soap. It is $3.99 at Target. The coupon took off $2.50. So again, it's a 5 off 2 coupon. So $3.99 and it takes off $2.50. I bought 2 of them. All right, the Oral-B deal. Now, the Oral-B deal, these toothbrushes are $4.99 at Target. These are also included in the spend 20, get a $5 extra care buck at Target. These are $4.99. We have a $10 off Oral-B adult battery operated coupon in the P&G. So you got to buy 2 of them. It's $10 off 2. So you got to buy 2 of them to get for the coupon to work. It attaches to these. So these come out to be $4.99. The coupon takes off $4.09. Target changed a long time ago. Target changed its coupon policy where we couldn't get money makers anymore. The only way you can get money makers is if you upload your receipt to Fetch Rewards, IBOTTA, Swag Bucks, one of those, and they give you money back. Then you're able to get money makers at Target. Right now, I mean, and probably until infinity, you're not going to be able to get money makers at Target because the computer is a genius at adjusting the coupon so you will not get anything for free or money makers. If it's free, you still pay some cents. I rarely see a all the way free deal. Like I spent $5, I got $5 back. You might can do it that way, but to spend $0 and get $5 back in a gift card, they don't do those no more. So these should have actually been free with that coupon, but again, we're at Target, so they're $4.99. It takes off $4.09. So your out of pocket is going to be 91 cents for the Oral-B manual toothbrushes. All right, now this is all one transaction. The big razor at Target is $4.99. And I have a $3 off coupon that came in our last insert. So our Retail Me Not, if I'm not mistaken, it came out on Sunday, has a $3 big coupon in it. That coupon took off $3, making my out-of-pocket $1.99 per razor. All right, so here's my receipt so you all can see. So here we go. The big was $4.99, took off $3. $4.99 took off $3. The Oral-B, $4.99, took off $4.09. And then a Shea Moisture, $3.99 a piece, and it took off $2.50. Okay, so my out-of-pocket for this transaction, I'm sorry, this receipt is a little raggedy, was $8.76. And then I got a $5 gift card back for the promo. So my final out-of-pocket is $3.76 for this transaction. All right. So after that, I took this $5 gift card, which is here. My $5 gift card, and I rolled it into this transaction. Now, this is one of the transactions that I didn't know how this transaction was going to go. I'm not about to move all this stuff. It's a lot of them. Hold on. So this transaction was a transaction that I didn't know how this was going to go. I actually put this together while I was in the store. I was on the app and I seen that these actually were tracking for the gift card. So I was like, okay. So what I did was buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I bought 10 travel size Tresemme products. This is the, what is this? The hairspray, the conditioner, and the shampoo. And I also picked up the other aerosol hairspray. All right. So I picked up 10 items. So these were $139. I'm sorry. These were regular price $149. These were $199. And these were $149. So I picked up 10 of them. Now, I'm going to show you a receipt for those so you can see how it worked. I used the 5 off 2. I used 2 5 off 2 coupons that was in our Unilever insert that we got on Sunday. I used 2 $5 off coupons. So it was $5 off 2 products. So you can just say the $5 came off these 4 products because I used 2 of them. Then I turned around and I used 2 of the $2 off coupons. Which are these right here. So it say that it took off that one and it took off this one. All right, I used that. I used them because I didn't want, for me, I didn't want the computer, for the Unilever coupons, you're only supposed to use 2 identical coupons in one trip. So I didn't want the computer to reject the 3rd one or the 5th one per se. So I just used 4 coupons. All right, so let me show you the receipt because sometimes these Target receipts, they're really difficult to read. So I'm going to let y'all see how this one rang up. Hold on. All right, so here we go. Tresemme 138. I'm sorry, the Tresemme was 149. Now, the Target Circle took off an additional 10% off each one, I think, or they just on a couple of them they took off. So, yeah. The Target Circle took off 10%. So they gave me additional savings. So it took 10% off the trial size. So we're at 149. Plus it took off 10%. So that make that 138. My paper coupon took off $1.02. So that made my out of pocket for that one was 36 cents. And the same thing for these. You can see they all tracking for the Beauty gift card. The buy, spend 20, get a $5 gift card. They're tracking for that. So these right here track for the $5 gift card. All right. So my Tresemme 102, it took off, 149, it took off $1.02. Making my out of pocket 147. The Jergens. So this Jergens, we had $1.50 coupon. Again, shout out to Tink TV. She let me know that that was attaching to this Jergens. All this is found in the trial section. These Tresemme and this Jergens is found in the trial section. That 150 coupon attaches to this. So that's this right here, this Jergens. So the Jergens is 99 cents. That coupon takes off 75 cents. So it leaves you with about 24 cents out of pocket. Tresemme is 184. 199, I'm sorry, and then it took off 10%. So it made it 184, and then the coupon took off $1.37. So 199 took off 10%, made it 184, and then the coupon took off 137. Tresemme again, 149, the coupon took off 112. So this one actually right here is the extra Tresemme that I didn't have a coupon attached to because, again, I didn't want to use that 5th coupon and it rejected it. So I only use 4 coupons. I don't know if you use the 5th one or if you buy 2 more, is it going to work? I don't know. I just used only 4 coupons. All right. So 199, 184, 137 out of pocket for that one. This Tresemme, 149. The coupon took off $1.12. 198. That was for the other one. The other 2. All right, so this Tresemme here, 199. It took off 10%, 184, 137. All right, this one, 149, took off 10%, 138, and then the coupon took off $1.02. My Skintimate. My Skintimate razor was $5.99, which is this right here. This is the one I picked up. All right, so that Skintimate razor is $5.99. I had a $4 paper coupon that took off $4. Making my out-of-pocket about $2 for the Skintimate. Now, that's all I got in this transaction. After coupons, my total is $8.59. I rolled a $5 gift card, making my out-of-pocket about $3.59. And then I received another $5 gift card. So if you're rolling gift cards, I guess you can kind of say it's like a money maker almost, if you want to look at it like that. But your total is rarely going to be zero when you get these gift cards that you got to spend 20, get 5. Your total is rarely going to be 20. Like, I haven't seen a zero balance yet and then get a $5 gift card. Those days of Targets are over with. But I'm happy with the $3.59 out of pocket, and then I got a $5 gift card, pretty much making that free plus a money maker if you want to look at it like that. All right. So then I took this $5 gift card and I wrote it into this next transaction. All right, so this is the next transaction. I picked up some more Jergens. These are 99 cents. That $1.50 coupon attaches to them, making them over here. It took the $1 off, making them free. So 99 cents. The coupon adjusts down to $1, making these free for the Jergens. The Olay. The Olay is also in the travel section. We have a $1 coupon that was in our our August P&G for $1. It attaches to these trial size Olay. The computer adjusts it down. Well, it's $1. These are $1.49. The computer takes the $1 off, making them 49 cents out of pocket for the Olay body wash. The coconut milk and the argan oil OGX. We got a printable coupon off coupons.com for 2 off 3. I didn't even know they had these in the travel section until I ran up on them. And I was like, I wonder. So that coupon for the OG, first of all, these are $2.99. That 3 off 2 coupon takes off $1.50. So $2.99 take off $1.50, making your out of pocket $1.50 for this one and $1.50 for that one. All right, so because these are travel size items, these did not qualify for the spend 20 get 5. These didn't qualify. The only ones that qualified was these Tresemme ones. So that's the only thing that qualified. All right, so here's my receipt for that. Olay $1.49 took off $1. OGX $2.99 took off $1.50. The Jergens 99 cents took off 99 cents, making them free. Now, my out of pocket was $3.96. I rolled my $5 gift card into this transaction. So, and that's pretty much it. The tax pretty much ate the rest of it up. But so $3.96, and then I rolled my $5 gift card, making that transaction free. So I pretty much didn't pay nothing out of pocket. If it did go over, it's because of the tax, because I'm in Illinois and tax is higher than a mofo. So it just is what it is. So basically everything I got, I'm gonna put everything together. Okay, so this is how it all panned out. After all my coupons were applied, I paid, my out of pocket was going to be $24.42. Target gave me back $10 in gift cards. And then Target Circle Cash, that's just what I'm going to call it. Target Circle Cash gave me back $3.11 to pay for my one of my transactions. Fetch Rewards gave me back 14 cents. What I'm going to do with 14 cent Fetch Rewards? Like, really? But whatever. So, my total out of pocket for all these items was $11.17 out of pocket. Who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Paschen. I'm too excited about these manual toothbrushes that I got for 91 cents. These botanical ones, I can't wait to plug those in. And then all the other items that I got, these are great items to take on trips with you when you're going out of town. Might as well stock up on travel items because it don't look like anytime soon we're not going to be able to get anything bigger than that for travel items. And this even is a travel item. If you think about it, that's good enough too. That small bar of soap. All right, that's the end of my Target haul. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hecky now, Joe is Beauty Paschen, and I'm out.